Michael. Hi everybody. Good afternoon, partners and tutor. I'm here because on this occasion I will be commenting on the article that I select from the journal on English as a foreign language, which has the title The Use of Grammar Translation Method in Teaching English, and author to Katerina Elmayanti. Okay, then we have that this article addresses very important issues such as the method that exists speaking on pedagogy to teach English as a foreign language. Specifically, the research done here is related to a school located in Indonesia, more exactly in the 7th grade. The main objective of the research is to determine the impact that the method of teaching English as a second language could have on the effective learning by students. To achieve this, the method used was qualitative and can be determined in this way because the researcher has direct contact with the subjects under the study, such as the two teachers evaluated. The data obtained were analyzed and the subjective aspect was printed at the moment of conclusion. Since there was always a direct contact of the researcher with the data provided, the study was inductive. Okay? And then in this research, using the qualitative method, it was possible to determine through the contextual analysis the reality that exists for the particular case of the school under study. That the grammatical teaching method is the most suitable for that degree of education, since it lays the foundation solidus to later strengthen the learning of English as a second language. Okay, teacher and partners, this was my analysis about the test that I choose to my job. I hope that you enjoy it so much and listening to me speaking about this research. And I wanna thank you very much for pay attention to this chapter, and I'm going to see you later. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.